This is Bill with All American Property Inspections. I am doing a home inspection at a house, about $500,000. And one of the things that I find that's pretty common is sloping floors on the second floor. So what I do to check this out is I bring my expensive tool, better known as a golf ball, and I just roll it across the floor, and I let the golf ball let me know how much and how bad the floor slopes. So let's give it a shot. So there's my golf ball. And it's coming back and sloping way off to the right. So the floor slopes back to me, but then it also slopes off to the right. And as slow as the golf ball was going, for it to turn that hard, that's a pretty significant slope. So when you go to do your walkthrough, if you don't have me as your home inspector, make sure you bring a golf ball.